All right, here we go. Hello, guys. Hello, good evening. Want to see your hand today? All right, that's great. All right, good to see you. Good evening, good date. All right. I'm actually waiting for more people. So we can start this session in just maybe 1 minute. I want to see more people joining in the live event today. Yeah, hi Ross, hi Wisdom. All right, I think we can start for now because yes, I believe more people will joining in just a couple of minutes. So yeah, um, let's say greeting to our guest today. That's what our partner named Dao. Say hello to Arvin. Hi Arvin.
Hello, MGLand. Good to have you here, and thank you for inviting me over.
Yes, we are really excited to have NameDAO here and hearing some great share and maybe our user can start involving in the NameDAO, knowing some good things on project. I believe them will be joining into your project because it sounds really interesting.
Yeah, sure. So, how about we just start over here?
Yes, I think that for the first part, let's introduce about the MGLand a bit, so our user from both places can know about each other, right?
Yeah, sure.
Um, okay, about MGLand, you guys need to know that we are the concepts of the openness, freedom, and equality metaverse. And we are designed as an open virtual space to support every social interaction where NFT user can freely meet new friends, socialize, play games, and engage in a variety of activities. And some achievement we get is we reached 10,000 NFTs joining in MGLand. We've connected more than 200 communities, and we have a lot of quickly activities and events in the community, which you can directly see that we have the light event every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Yep, that's it. And we have a lot of gifts during the event. So you guys have no reason to not joining in our live event. And recently we have published a membership certificate that is called POMG, Proof of MGLand, or you can call it a SoundPower NFT of MGLand. Yes, and I believe you guys have already claimed it, but if anyone has not claimed it yet, so please follow my direction. I hope you can see me on the screen. I'm the NFT of the dog app are moving, Yeah, just follow me. Go to the POMG building right at the center of the map. Click on it, and you will see the SBT, some short description. Just click on Freemint, and you guys can have it for yourself. And War Wallet can only get one POMGs. And what is the purpose of POMG? That you guys can have the land NFT or token airdrop or whitelist in the future, and you may receive MGLand and our partners exclusive gift and some aircraft and Spaceship Freemint if you are active user. And of course, the most important thing that you can gain the achievement rewards, that is to record your activity point, which you can have from logging MGLand every day. You can have from uh, be active on the lens like chatting or just staying on the lens. You will get one from that, and more great birth in the future. It's not just limited to things that I have mentioned. Okay, and yes, so if you have not claimed the APOMGs, please quickly go to the buildings and claim it right now. Yeah, that's it about the MGLand and our current event at the moment. So now it's time for our partners to share about the NameDAO, and you guys may get a lot of information. Um,
Yeah,
all right.
sure. So,
Okay.
so I'll just yeah. Sorry, you go first.
Okay. We just place for NameDAO some questions, and yes, after that part, you guys can have great questions for Mr. Arvin, and and you guys all know the reward, right? That is 5D account and fresh Spaceship Freemint. And I
Yes.
received a lot of information, questions about the 5D accounts. What is 5D accounts? So maybe Arvin will have your concern today. Yes, you can ask it later after he's explained all the things. All right, this is the first question for NameDAO. Okay. Um, what is .bit and what type of the service does the .bit provide?
Right. So you know that NameDAO is a project initiated by DAObit, and DAObit is a unified cross-chain identity for users and communities, and it can provide you with a lot of things, such as it is your decentralized identity in Web3, it is also your DID in NFT, and it is also your self-sovereign data container. And can be you can make it into your decentralized personal homepage, and you can also link all your Web2 and Web3 social accounts together. And so, how is Dobbit different from other DID projects like we have the ENS and PNS? And so, there's one core difference of Dobbit that it can provide a cross-chain identity solution for you.
Wow.
And so, yes, that's the biggest difference from other DID services. And besides chains with smart contracts like Ethereum, there are many public chains who have their own naming services on them. But how can you move around these chains using just one single identity? And that's what Adobe can provide you with.
Oh,
And yes, that's the Adobe. And NameDAO is just a project initiated by Adobe, and I will explain some more details later.
wow. That's great to hear. So that's a big idea come up with. All right. So the next question for you, that is, how can .bit have a card chance feature, and what is necessary card chance?
And so, just like I have mentioned before, Adobe can work with any public chain address or even email.
Wow.
And so Dobbit is based on Nervous chain, which is a chain that verifies the signature of a BTC, Bitcoin private key, on the Nervous CKB transaction, which actually means that we can install any public chain signature algorithms on Nervous CKB on any public chain and is able to hold assets issued on Nervous CKB. So based on this Nervous CKB, our product Bit can verify signatures by different asymmetric cryptographic algorithms, and the accounts that can be held by any public chain address. And that's about how we can have a cross-chain feature right now. And that's the answer.
All right, that's great. Share from you. Okay, so we really would like to know more about NameDAO because it's all about the dot bit. So can we know more about how does the NameDAO cooperate with the product itself?
All right. So NameDAO is a broad DAO project based on different character sets. And for example, DigiDAO is a digit-based DAO, and Emoji is an emoji-based DAO. And similarly, all the NameDAOs that have not been officially released on the official website have similar logic. The word NameDAO itself is a concept, and we made a DAO alliance based on the DAO product. So NameDAO is just not just a single DAO, but one DAO based on different character sets. So you may wonder, why does Dorbit, a DID service, want to push the NameDAO project? So first of all, the Dorbit product itself naturally has the characteristic of being classified according to the character set. And at the same time, we especially believe that we can develop a differentiated strategy with all the DID products on the market. And so we want to create a project with our own thinking and attitude. So based on this, we hope to promote NameDAO. Secondly, we also hope that the NameDAO can be used to better leverage the power of community users. And we want to understand that there are countless teams and projects calling to give full play to power of community users.
Yeah.
And we believe that the premise of exerting community power is to give community users a certain amount of power to do things. So how do we empower communities? It is through the revenue of the Dolphin project. So we plan to hand over part of the project's revenue directly to the community, and the community will decide how to use these revenues. So when we said on Twitter that we are going to do a DAO before, many friends thought that it was a signal that the project party was running away, but not in our case. We also want to give our revenue to the community and repay it. And another perspective we look at NameDAO is that each individual NameDAO is a separate treasury. Each individual NameDAO gets a portion of its own revenue from other character sets. And for the first year of NameDAO, all the revenues from the character sets will be sent to the treasury. And so we can understand that it is to give the community a stable cash flow and a capital pool every month and every week. We want to create a space for the community to develop new possibilities. And we believe that the Web3 is still at an early stage, and we hope to involve more people around the world to participate in the Web3 technological revolution in the process of Web3 process. And we also hope that all the countries in the world, people who speak different languages, can participate in this revolution. We also hope to use identity as a window to onboard more people onto Web3. And we at NameDAO have a vision, that is, we hope that all the people in the world, regardless of the background and the language background, can also have the same right to have a decentralized identity. And that's what the Dorbit wants to do, and why Dorbit project is pushing this NameDAO. Yeah,
Wow,
back
that
to you.
wow, wow, all information is really clear. You guys have learned a lot about the ideas from NameDAO, how it's gonna change the world of crypto or the Web3, and yes, maybe this idea is pretty new to many user, and it's really big. And I believe that it can really change a lot of things. Yes. So I think that our user want to know what is the biggest difference between NameDAO and other DAOs, because we know that there are a lot of projects has the DAOs is themselves. So what is the biggest difference?
Yeah, so the most biggest importance difference is that each NameDAO has its own treasury and stable cash flow. So I believe that in this bear market, everyone can see that many DAOs have encountered the problem of insufficient treasury liquidity. And most of the DAO treasuries are full of native tokens that are used for governance with insufficient liquidity. And NameDAO will have a cash flow flowing into DAO's treasury all the
Yeah.
time, and you can check how much funds are currently in the treasury through the bot in the Discord. We also updated on Twitter today that the Dolphin team has injected $100,000 each into the name Emoji DAO and DigiDAO as a start
Wow,
of
that's a
capital.
big number, really.
Yes, and at the same time, after July 22nd, the revenue Dolphin accounts registered with Emoji and Digitally will have been injected into the treasury of these two DAOs. And we will also update the data for the treasury every week after that. This data is a strong proof of the soundness of NameDAO's treasury. And at the same time, our treasury is not the only composed of a single token. We have different tokens like such as ETH, USDC, USDT, and CKB, etc. These tokens constitute such a sound treasury of NameDAO. And the second difference is that we have explicit membership definitions. When you complete the tasks before you become a member, you will be automatically assigned to a sub-account of this DAO. This sub-account is very clearly defined, and you are a member of DAO. With this member ID, you will also have the right to vote, propose, and get rewards. And that's what all the biggest importance difference between other DAOs and NameDAO.
All right, that's cool. That's cool. All right, we're looking for the update for the data for the treasury every week that you said, and I think that yeah, this is the strongest proof of the soundness of our of your name DAO treasury, and yes. So this is one of our last questions for NameDAO. So how can our users start involving in your project in NameDAO?
Yeah, I've just posted our Twitter account onto the comment section, so you can just click into the Twitter and join our Discord. And after you finish the becoming a member tasks, and you will be automatically granted a membership for the DAO. And just click into the
Wow.
Twitter and join the Discord. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
so
it.
so it's really easy. Our user just need to be active. Just need to be active in your
Yes,
community,
just
start
participate
chatting,
into
and
this.
so and
Yes.
they can have their own account, right?
Yeah. If you finish the task, you will be automatically granted a sub account.
Wow, that's really good. That's really good. So you guys is totally free for you guys to start knowing about NameDAO for more. Let's click on their Twitter, go directly to the Discord, and yes, it, it's a good time for you to learn more. And all
Yeah,
right,
and
I think
also we have. I just want to add one more thing is that if you join our server now, and you will be automatically refunded with the registration fee of your account. So it basically means that you will have about a zero cost to become a member.
wow.
Yes.
So so it can be called an insurance, right? Is it?
It what?
It sounds like an insurance, right? Because user can still keep the money when there's a problem, right?
Yes. So if you join our server and finish your task, and you will be granted a sub account, and you will also get your registration fee. And like there's a win-win solution for the users and for the DAO.
Wow, that's great to know. Okay, so that's the great share from Arvin named out. I believe you guys all get the ideas from them, understand what is named out is. So I will spend a couple of minutes for you guys, just 1 minute for you guys to think of questions, and we can go directly to the questions part. All right.
Yes, sure.
All right, waiting for you for that. So I may need to make some sort of reminder for you guys. Yes, the first one is please remember to change your username to Discord username, And the second important thing is yes, claim POMG directly at the POMG building. Just follow me. Click on the POMG building. Click on receive. Yes, and that's it. Okay, the last remind is who have good questions. Yes, we receive a special reward, so you have to turn the mic and access. And we now allow mobile devices and RT to speak. Yeah, sure. I will invite you, Ra. Okay, we'll be starting in just 30 seconds, so let's wait for a while. I hope that who can join the mic now can also turn your camera on. And please do remember that we also have the giveaway for lucky people, not just who have good questions. So let's stay to the last of the event.
Yes, you will also get a free Adobe account for that.
Yeah,
Just a
that's
reminder.
it. That's it. So all right. The burn board. If you guys travel around on MGLand, you guys can also find some games building. So I hope that sometimes you guys can have a try on this game. It's really entertaining. All right, let's go straight to the questions part from user. Okay, I will start countdown in three, two, and one. Go. Who raising hand first will get invited and be asking first. Okay, I will invite Tomato, Motions. Um, if anyone cannot join in the room, you can also leave your questions in the chat, and we'll just try to answer the questions in the chat. No worries. All right, Max 2. Just ask the questions in the chat if you cannot join in the room. Tomato Motions, I already invited you. Have you seen the invitation? Please accept to my invitation. Oh, all right. By placing a question by voice, please also drop your questions into the chat, so our quest can see it clearly, and other people can also see the questions. Yes, snowflakes. Okay, motions in the room, invited snowflakes. All right, before inviting more people, let's go to the first question from Tomato. Did you join in the room?
Well, I don't see tomato here.
Yeah. Maybe Tomato is having problem with his device now. So we can start with the question from Mosen. Okay, Mosen, hello Mosen, can you open the mic and the camera?
Good evening, Raka. Good evening, NameDAO.
Hi.
Hello.
Can you also open your camera? It will be great for our conversation because for everyone is turning on the camera is fair. Is it good?
My camera is little bit weak, so I can't open.
All right, I got it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, all right, just got it. So just place the questions.
Okay. Okay, let put my question in chat, then I will ask. Okay, let me put. Okay, my question is, what is the way to identify membership in DAO?
Yeah, this is a great question. And we have established a new way to for the membership identify. So if you have finished the becoming a member task in our Discord server, and you will be automatically granted a sub account. And so what is a sub account? It's like if you have a Dobit account, you are able to mint sub accounts. Such as if I have the Alvin.bit account, and I would able to issue other sub accounts to other people. Like I can issue MGLand sub account with the account of MGLand dot NameDAO
Wow.
dot Alvin dot bit. And so yes, that's how the sub accounts works. So you just add a little string before your account name. So if you join the NameDAO and your sub account will be motion.0x.bit,
Wow,
and
that's great.
that's how
Motion
yes, that's
zero
how
x
we
dot bit.
identify our members.
Oh, that's great. Okay, let's put my second question. I have three questions today.
Okay.
Let's put my
Okay,
second
sure.
question. Okay, my second question is how to evaluate and quantify and contribute of DAO members and establish incentive standards.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is the question that we are still on the discussion. And you know that NameDAO is a community-driven DAO. So every discussion will and the system will be discussed and then will come to implementation. So NameDAO is just started and we have not yet to have a system for the contribution evaluation and quantifying. But we will be something, just in my gut feelings, it will be something like if you do something and you prove you give your proof of work, like you upload how many times have you worked on this project, and
Wow.
we will return give you a certain portion of our treasury on your based on your time of work. So in my gut feelings, it would be like a time and compensation system. If you work like 8 hours a day and 1 hour will be like 50 USDC, and I don't know, but this is still under discussion right now.
Wow, nice. It's really clear that you can get the return or the treasury from working directly. Yes.
Oh, that's great. Okay, let's put my third question and last question. Okay, I put it. What is about security that NAMDA will give us?
The security of
Security.
NameDAO, the security that NameDAO will give us. So I'm not sure what security you're talking about, but I feel that it will be something like the personal data to security, and so all of your data is stored in your personal vault. It's like you have a safe here, and this is your account, and the account is crypto is a crypto with your personal like a string that is randomly generated and it's only
Oh,
held by you. Yes, it's something like the MetaMask wallet and every other crypto wallet right now. So it can only be accessed by you yourself and not anyone else.
That's great. Okay, I
Yes,
will
thank you, Motion.
off my.
Yeah.
all right.
Okay,
Really,
thank you, thank
thank
you.
you, Mosin, for a lot of great questions. That's good.
Yeah,
That's good to hear.
yes.
So, yes. So basically about the security, Arvin said that yeah, it's basically protected by the blockchain technology and it's under the smart contract that your account, your Dobit account is totally protected. So there's no reason you have to worry about yes about the security thing. Okay, so let's go to the next question. From let's see here. Yeah, Max. Okay, can you also turn on your camera and your mic?
Hello.
Hi. Can
Hello,
you
Max.
are you available to open your mic camera now? Yeah, it's really good that you can also open the camera and have some interaction with us. If not, you can just place your questions through the voice. Um, Hello, Max. Can you talk now? We've just hear your voice.
Yeah, Max, if you're not available, you can just type in the text.
Yeah, sure. Maybe Max is having some
Yes.
problems. Okay, it's totally good. So let's wait for him. Why? Before his questions, I've seen some questions here from 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 our user. So okay, let's start with the question from Ross. Do you see the questions from Ross? Oh, so I think that I can resend the questions here.
Yes. Okay. So, hello. Aside from having your own treasury and cash flow, as which makes NameDAO unique from other DAOs, how will you introduce NameDAO to beginners of Web3? Like, what will be the perks? So, I think the perks will be like something you can you know that we want to make NameDAO a one-stop place for people to be on board with Web3, and we have experienced like Web3 travelers and who are experienced in all the app applications, decentralized applications, and they can teach you and follow you like the mentors to guide you through the Web3 world. And also, if why is NameDAO unique from the other DAOs is that it gives you an identity, and you can use this with any other applications that you want. Such as we have now integrated with over 100 wallets, and you can directly use your Dolbit account to make transactions, and you can even log in into social applications such as um, the Zero X Echo and all the social applications, which are native Web3 applications. And that's how I will introduce to the Web3 beginners, because it can be their
Yeah.
one-stop place to learn all the things they need, because we have all the experienced people here. Yes.
Oh, that's a good point. Ross just said that you offer a mentoring you too. You offer a mentor.
Yes, yes, yes. We have this in planning.
Wow, that's a big deal because at the first time a user start with Web3 and they have to learn a lot of things about crypto world, NFT world, and they will be confused when first time hearing about doubt or name doubt or maybe other doubt. And yes, so it would really need to have a mentor who can guide this user to start learning, involving in some projects. Wow, that's great,
Yes,
and we
right.
are really waiting for that. So if uh, when you publish you can share with us we can share it to the communities for them maybe they can find some mentor for themselves. Yeah, that's great to hear. So okay, thank you Ross for the great questions. So I'm still waiting for the questions from Max. uh,
Hello.
yeah, I can hear you. All right.
Yeah.
So my question is that as I know there is two types of NameDAO, the emoji DAO and letter DAO. So there is possibility of more DAO in future, like letter DAO or something else.
Yes, we will have more DAOs in the future, and they will be characterized with each unique characteristics, such as we will have Vietnam's DAO, and we will have Turkish DAO, and we will have Korean DAO in the future. And these are listed in on our DAO in our website, and we will release them one by one in the future.
Oh, okay.
And
So
I yes I
there will be possibility of more like Australian DAO या American DAOs. Possibility of more DAOs in future.
Yes, there will be more DAOs in the future, but they will also be characterized with current sets only. And we will not allow just anyone to start any DAO because that's not our goal. We are not here to help people to start a DAO. We are here to help people go to Web3.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow,
So,
that's
sir, can I look for white paper or something else so I will know what's coming in future?
Uh, Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Can I look for white paper or something else so I will know what's
Yes,
coming in
yes, yes.
future?
I will just drop the official page of NameDAO here. Yeah, thank you for asking. NameDAO.xyz. And this is our official website, NameDAO.xyz. And you can log in there and see our white papers and all the documents that you want to see.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for
Yeah,
that.
you're welcome.
all right. Thank you for your great questions, Max. Yeah. Do you have any other questions?
No, Raka, that's it.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. So
Thank
I
you.
see there's no black one to be invited, but I'm trying. Um, please, if you want to join in the room, you need to allow both camera and your mic. If one of two things has the problem, so I think that you need to fix that before you can join in the room. Yes. So let's go to the next questions. Um, I suggest you guys joining into the room so you can have the questions and receive a gift. All right, so the next questions is from Wisdom. I see Wisdom questions. Can you join in the room to ask that questions to Wisdom? If not, I will just send the questions right here. All right, Snowflake. If you can't to join in the room, so you can take a photo of the error and you can send me in the ticket. I will help you out there. All right.
Yeah, and in the meantime, you can just type your question here.
Oh, that's it. You just need to drop your questions into the chat. All right. So here's the question from Wisdom.
Are they
Are
KYC
there?
registration?
Maybe he's
Oh, all
busy.
right. Are they? No, there's no KYC registration because we are a Web3 native application, and we think that KYC is not a necessity, and so we do not require any form of KYC registration.
All right. Sure. Because we are totally protected by um, the blockchain technologies and smart contract.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. Right.
Right one. So the next question is from um PJ. Yes, I will send the questions right here again.
All right. So is a DAO different from a dApp or a decentralized network? Yes, they have a huge difference there because a DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, and so it's kind of like any organization that you have met before, such as your local community. And so a DApp is like application that lives in your
Wow.
phones or on the websites, and a decentralized network is where these things the DAO and dApp where these things lives on. So if there's no decentralized network, there will be no dApp and the DAO. And the dApps are just two forms of things that live on the decentralized network. And a dApp is a decentralized application, and that's like any application in your phones. And a DAO is a group of people meeting together to do some things together. And you can just take this as your local communities.
Yeah, that's great. So you've just said that is a group of people. So that's why a group of people can learn a common profit from any project. Maybe they can learn together, or maybe start
Yes, right.
joining in other projects. And of course, NameDAO will help them to do so, right?
Yes. Yes, right.
Okay, I see.
So I think we have our last question here.
Yes. So
I
how?
just saw the tomato just posted a question.
All right.
So I will just take it from here. And the tomato just asked a question about how much it will cost currently to mint an emoji now. So if you want to mint an account, the average account for us is $5. That is simple. That will change based on the gas fee. So uh, it is average just $5 and for per account. And if
Yeah.
you yes, that's not very expensive compared to other naming services.
No
And
worries. I
we
also think $5 is a pretty good price. So we can start have it right now because emoji you can find a lot of cool emoji, I believe.
yes, and also if you become a member of the emoji DAO, and after you have finished the becoming a member task, all of the registration fee will be refunded to your account directly, and you can just pull out this refund and directly sell them on exchange service, and you will have about all of your registration fee back in your pocket again. So that means basically zero cost to be a
Yeah, that's it. Totally zero cost because you get the refund
member.
by joining enough.
Yeah. So Tomato just asked on which chains. So we support tokens of Matic on Polygon and BSC on the Binance Smart Chain and also ETH on the Ethereum. And also we support Tron, and also CKB on the Metaverse. So there are many tokens that we support. You can just check it out on here. I will just type in a comment.
Nice. It's really cool. Yeah, but
Yes, so our website is app.did.id. It is very easy to remember because app refers to application, and .did is the decentralized identification, and .id is just ID. So app.did.id is very, and you can just type did.id either, and you can just refer to our official website. Yeah.
wow, that's cool. DIDID. It's
Yes,
really,
did.id.
yeah, really easy to remember. Yeah, I see some, many people want to have a try on your platform. It's really good. Okay, thank you for your good questions. So I think that we can spend a little more time to some about 2 or 3 questions. So if you guys have it, don't be shy to join in the room, or you can directly drop your questions into the chat.
Yes, and I think we can give all five topic accounts to these people who have raised the question before.
Yeah, sure.
And also some for those who don't know what 5 digits .b account means, that means you can free mint a 5 digits, which is an account that have 5 characters, such as 1 2 3 4 5 .bit, and that is a 5 digits .bit account.
Wow, that's it. So it means that the more short the count is more valuable, right?
Yes, and for the safety concerns, we have not released the one digit and 2 digit and the 3 digits accounts because we don't want people to spam the naming service system, and we just want people to use them, not to trade them. Sorry.
Yeah, something like that. Tomato. It's like a 1 2 3 4 5 dot bit. Is it so?
Yes. That's a 5 digits account.
Yeah, basically you guys can imagine that the shortest or easiest dot bit named will get yes will get a valuable prize. And
Yes, the winners will mint it for free. And tomato, I think you've just won one.
yeah, it's totally free. So I think you guys don't want to miss the chance. But it's this time we only allow users who have good questions from and also join in the room to ask the questions. So I hope that you guys can don't please don't be signed. Just join in the room and you will get the 5 account free mint. Not a bad idea.
And so, the hoster, can you just gather all these winners' Twitter handles for me, and I will ask my colleague to let them mint it for free.
Wow, that's it. All right.
So I think that was Motion and Mad Max and Tomato and two members I couldn't remember.
No worries. I've just taken down all the questions from user, so I'll be sending it
Okay.
later in your Twitter. All right. In your Telegram. No worries.
Yes. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, and yes, you don't need KYC for the membership in the DAO. And for our project, either you don't need to KYC. Drop your Discord. Yes, I will drop the Discord server here. Just wait a second. Thank you for inviting us.
I have seen there are two different servers for DigiDAO and EmojiDAO. Yeah, it's definitely because yeah, they are totally they're connected, but they are different. So you can join in both server, start innovating. All right.
Yeah, it's right.
Okay, I
And
believe.
I would, yes, I would recommend that you join the digital because if you like the thing I've mentioned before, the refund, that is only applicable to the digital accounts. And so that's where I would recommend you because the digital account are the most popular and the one that's the most active. And but if you want, you can just raise a proposal to refund all the registration fee in an emoji DAO, and you can
Wow.
just do that by becoming a member, and we would love to see that.
Okay, just drop your proposal for after
Yes,
you
right.
getting the emoji doubt. All right.
Yes.
I believe that's all the questions from users. Okay, before ending this section, so I will drop down some reminders, some soft reminders you guys need to remember. The most important thing that if you not yet claim your POMGs, just go to the building and claim it right now. It's like a membership certificate in MGLand. Like this, usually in our event, it will be record and have some special gift in the future. And maybe it's from NameDAO too. So yeah, don't miss out the chance. And please remember to change your username right here into your Discord username because it's a good data for us to check in you guys. And the last one, but it's already done that you need to join in the a room and ask the questions by voice. Yeah, that's it. Um, I think that's all for the event today. Thank you for your time, Arvind. Great share from Arvind, and a lot of good information was said, and we do appreciate that. Uh, Now we know about a good project that we can start involving, we can start learning and joining in.
Yeah, thank you, Roy. Thank you for the kind, all the all. Thank you for the kind words.
Wow, Ross just said that she loved your eye classes. Yet it's like your eye classes
Thank you.
has the purple light. How can it be?
Oh, yeah. So I have a big screen in front of me, and so my glasses is like the blue ray protective, and so it reflects the blue and the purple things, balance them off of my eyes, and so it protects my eyes from
Ah,
those
got it, got
harmful
it.
rays.
It's really
Yeah.
important when you are the one who work in an office sitting all the day, and I believe it's good for a lot of people here because I believe some of you guys are also a developer or a marketer. Some things you have to looking at staring at the screen all the day. Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
Raka, you
Right.
should buy it too. Thank you, thank you. I would consider that, or I can ask Arvin where to buy that classes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. So for all the kind words.
Okay, thank you. So that's all. Do you have any other last word want to say? Like, let's turn into your platform, right? Eh,
Yes. So okay. So GMGN to all of people who have joined here, and thank you for joining us. And stay tuned for NameDAO's Twitter and for more information.
Um,
And
of
thank you.
of course. When you have any good information or the good news, just drop us a message. So our side will have to share the information to our user. Yeah, you whenever you open something for sale, you open for a campaign. Yeah, just tell us so we can have to promote it for you guys. That's it, and our user may have a chance to get some rewards or gift. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you, Ro.
All right, thank you.
All right. Bye, guys. I think that's all of today.
Okay, goodbye. Thanks for your time again.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Have a good day.